We explore the vision of the Ministry of Mining on its journey to sustainability and efficiency.
We have, particularly in recent years, been faced with the reality that the industry is dynamic and requires us to be adaptive and resilient.
Jamaica's mining industry is being diversified to strengthen research and harness the full economic potential of the minerals segment. The Jamaica Bauxite Institute and the Geological Survey functions of the Mines and Geology Division will merge to form an institute focused on that task.
The entity will have no regulatory functions, and we are grateful to the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, for their contribution to this project as it relates to the business process review to guide development.
Over at the Jamaica Bauxite Mining Limited, JBM, several areas are being targeted to boost its diversified income stream. They include the development of Reynolds Pier for limestone exports, construction of an 80,000 square feet industrial park with rental spaces, and 500 units of affordable housing in Orange Park, St. Anne are also planned. For the fiscal year, JBM will focus on operational improvements, human capital development, compliance systems, and technological upgrades aligned with Vision 2030 outcomes.
JBM aims to optimize social and financial returns while promoting sector expansion in a sustainable fashion.
The ministry is forecasting $350 million in bauxite mining royalties for the fiscal year. As the construction sector grows, the government is also projecting approximately $110 million in earnings from quarry taxes. Explorations will continue for commercially viable quantities of copper, gold, silver, rare earth metals, and other metallic minerals.
We expect that these activities will lead to the discovery of commercial quantities of these metals, which would represent a major first step in our efforts to diversify the country's minerals sector.
Meanwhile, the Jamaica Bauxite Institute, JBI, is strengthening its partnership with the Jamaica Social Investment Fund to build greenhouse and water harvesting sites across the 5 bauxite-bearing parishes. The JBI is also on a quest to acquire ISO accreditation of selected laboratory testing methods and become the first certified bauxite lab in Jamaica. Government's agenda for the development of Jamaica's sustainable mining capacity remains an essential priority this fiscal year.